All right, Save Club. Boy, what growth, what momentum. It's hauling ass in the fast lane, okay? It's not even a week old, okay? I'm producing this, let's see, about the last week of April of 2025. Boy, time is just hauling ass, isn't it? Just like Save Club. Okay, all I can do is storytell, show you behind the scenes, tell you how I'm going to promote Save Club because it has the same infrastructure as LiveGood. Okay, if you don't know anything about LiveGood, don't worry about it. But if you are currently in LiveGood or tried to be an affiliate in LiveGood and just kind of stalled, all right, but you dig the products, awesome. Because the software, the processing, the website, they're so identical, it's funny, but that's good. That's why I believe in Save Club. Okay. If it was just another shoppers, buyers club, I mean, they've been around for hundreds of years. Cavemen used to go shopping for those sexy fur outfits. You ever seen that movie Caveman with Ringo Starr back in like 1980? Shelley Long. You got to watch it. All right. We should have opened up Save Club back then. Boy, we'd be billionaires, wouldn't we? Well, anyway, about a week ago, this opportunity debuted. Okay, I found out about it a handful of days ago, and I wanted to study it first, just to make sure if I put time into making video, do I actually believe in it? Okay, the product, do I actually save money on things I'm already buying? Because if I'm not saving any money, then I look at it more as a cash grab, and I guess that's the point of getting up in the morning and working. You need money so you can afford this building or your home. Maybe a cup of coffee or some Huggies baby wipes. Okay, you got to wipe your bum, don't you? Takes moolah. All right, nothing wrong with wanting to earn money. I just like to do it with products or services I actually believe in. I'm not embarrassed. If I had a shirt that said Save Club, I'd wear it. Even a hat that says Save Club, okay? Not just Harley Davidson or maybe AC/DC, but I am a big fan of this darn company. Okay, so far so good. I've made a handful of videos. I just tell stories like you're looking at right now, and all I can do is just share my screen, show you what's going on. And if you're in LiveGood, you better hurry up and sign up now. The next 30 to 45 days is that window where everyone's going to sign up like crazy. And usually those that sign up the first 1 to 2 months are the ones that have the best potential of making the most money with their downlines, with their group. Okay, because a city has to, sign up underneath you, me, affiliates, a city, a state, a country, the planet. They have to sign up underneath somebody, okay? And when there's only a handful of people as affiliates, that's pretty cool, isn't it? I think you guys know what I'm talking about. So let me show you my screen on how I'm going to promote this. I'm going to do the same thing with LiveGood. And I've signed up well over 400 people. I'll have about 500 in LiveGood by the end of summer. And it's by doing this. Inviting people to click a link to watch a video. And guess what? I'm done. I can email somebody. I can post on social media, TikTok, Instagram. I can do a YouTube video. Okay, whatever I'm comfortable with. You decide what you're comfortable with. Okay? I love SaveClub.com. Who do you love? You love Save Club. And you love your puppy and your pet giraffe in the backyard. And maybe your mom and your dad. Do you love your husband or wife? I sure hope so. But if you don't, I understand. But you gotta love Save Club. Okay, click that link. You're going to go here. Then I'm going to ask you to just watch this short little YouTube video of the founder. Okay, just listen to him. That's all you got to do. He does all the recruiting and the heavy lifting. So if you don't want to do any video like I'm doing now, then just tell people to go to your own web link, which you're going to get when you join. This is a capture page. This is nothing more than where you put your name and info. Click that little orange Secure My Position Now button. You're going to get an email every day for 30 days telling you about Save Club. All right, how to join as an affiliate, what kind of savings you can expect. And if you want to opt out, just go to the bottom of the email and opt out. Or if you want to join, open up the Save Club email and, of course, join. Get your username, password. You can lock in your debit card or credit card. I think they have iPayout, cryptocurrency. It's up to you. You guys decide. I just do my personal bank here in good old Utah, where I live in the good US of A, okay? So, just to go over what I do to recruit, I love SaveClub vistaprint.com. Anyone that signs up with me, I want you to get business cards. Just go to vistaprint.com. Pick out a nice design you like, but don't make your business card too busy. All my business cards are this same template. ilovesaveclub.com. Don't you think that jumps off that card? You can see it from far away. I capitalized the L, the S, and the C. I put Cory at CoryDraper.com, my email right below. And then I used a little I, like iPhone. Okay, so ilovesaveclub.com. It bounces you to this capture page, which you get when you join. Okay, and when you open up your own back office, pardon me, you can just check out all of the savings you're going to get. Travel, parks, tickets, eat, play, shop. I mean, look at this, guys. You just type in, like I live in Salt Lake City, so I just put in a random 8412 okay? And when I hit search, right below, not only, obviously Disneyland and Orlando, those are all no-brainers. Of course, you want to save money there. How about Progressive, Travelers? Just open up this View More. Tons of insurance. Look at this. All these restaurants. R.C. Willey, huge furniture store here in town. All right? Even smaller places. We're going to have over 2 million businesses going to participate. Do you like guys like Subway? You like Domino's, Papa Murphy's? How about Wendy's? I like their fries. All right, but check this out. Also, Six Flags, if you want to go there, Universal Studios. But I wonder if you want to kind of go and build your deck. Do you want a big, massive deck? Then go to the Home Depot. Right here, here's Dick's Sporting Goods. Go to Dick's and then go to Home Depot and build a big deck while you go to Dick's to buy sporting goods. All right? Pet insurance. Oh my God, there's a lot of stuff. And that's just one little page, guys. But if you like to eat or travel to Vegas, automotive, business, car rental, guys, there's going to be over 2 million participants worldwide. We've got people worldwide signing up every 30 seconds right now. Guys, if you're in LiveGood, you need to hurry up and sign up right now. Who do you love? You love Save Club, right? Okay. Look at this. You can save $10 average on a pizza. Honey baked ham. Have you ever had those spiral honey baked hams? God, they're good. I love Pizza Hut too. But if you're already going to Pizza Hut or all these restaurants, why not save? And when you put in the little search button, isn't it cool to know that like Mill Creek Cafe, that's just 2 miles down the street. Papa John's, I love that pizza. Go and cook it yourself. All right, but look at this. And look, 9-10 pages just of food. All right, play, shop. All right, so you're going to go ahead and just relax and go through all of these, automotive sections, car rentals. All right, do you need repair? Do you need a car wash? Who doesn't want a car wash? I love car washes. I own a bunch of vehicles. Look at this. See that Take 5? I go here almost every day. And look at that. Save $6. How cool is that? Because I pay for the $16 a month plan. But guess what? Next month when I go to renew, of course, do I want to save $6 a month? Times 12? You bet your butt I do. Kurt's Car Wash. These are good buddies of mine too. Right where all my vehicles are parked in warehouses. Kurt's is right next door. They do emission tests. They do hand car washes, the automated ones. And then you go ahead and vacuum. Look at that, $11. Of course I'm going to use these just for car washes alone. But look at this, golf, health, beauty, hotels. You go to Vegas. Do you like to ski when you're in Salt Lake? Of course. Park City, Deer Valley, travel. Okay. And with the internet, it's so easy now just to type in, for example, if you're going to Florida, see where you're staying and type in the zip code. If you're in your neck of the woods, I just put in Salt Lake City General, hit search, and it shows all the participants. Now, during the pre-launch, by June 1st, we're going to have well over 1 to 2 million worldwide businesses. Okay? You have $19.97 a month, and then you go through all of these participants. You're going to find out you're probably going to save $100 to $200 by spending $19.97. Okay? If you want to be an affiliate, all you got to do is pay $60 one time. Okay? One and done, guys. It gives you a full-blown, beautiful website. This capture page, and of course, this website here. You can go through your genealogy, see everybody that's signing up. That little My Deals, that's the page I just showed you. Okay? Just go through all the deals. Save money. For real. Don't just think this is a cash grab and whatnot. Save money. Earn money and save money. That's why I think this is going to be easier than LiveGood, because LiveGood is based upon nutrition and feeling good and being healthy. But I know 90% of my downline, they're having tacos and pizza and ice cream with me. So, all right, but check it out. Your referrals, the leaderboard, you can see who's kicking ass. Your websites, all you do is click the websites and look, all these websites are made for you. All right. You can use this one if you want. It's a nice video about the company. I'm going to use this one 100% of the time. This encourages you not only to join as a member and use these services for $19.97, but I also want you to earn money as an affiliate and pay that $60. Okay. So 100% of the time, I'm just going to use that link right there. saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. That's me. Okay. If your name is Bob Thomas or Elvira or something, you can put whatever username you want. You can change it anytime. Okay. But for now, you need to at least take action on this, as Tony Robbins would tell you. Look at that. Every minute. Look at that. Somebody from Canada, Ron. Stacy, she has no flag. I guess she just lives on the moon. Look at that. America, America. Look, we're Mohand Benal. I don't even know what that flag is. It's like green with a little red thing in the middle and white on the right side. This is a worldwide endeavor, guys. If you live in England, Canada, France, Fiji, Florida, all right, you're going to save money. All you got to do is go to that search. Okay, right here where it says My Deals. Just click that, and what do? You put in your zip code of wherever you're at. So if you live, obviously, I don't know, let's just say Montana. Put in wherever you live, Great Falls, Montana, and see all the savings. There's thousands of companies and businesses and services already. Okay, and it's only what? It's April 24th. By June 1st, 1 to 2 million participants. Okay. Right now, this is a very exciting endeavor. Okay, take your time, think about it, especially if you're in LiveGood. You need to hurry and sign up. All right, this is, in my opinion, LiveGood Part 2, except I think it might even be bigger because most people want to save money on things they're already buying versus nutritional products. And LiveGood signed up 2 million people in 2 years. And right now, we're ahead of schedule. I think we're going to sign up probably more people with Save Club than LiveGood. So if you're in LiveGood and you got stalled a little bit because of the products and you didn't know what you're doing, well, guys, please copy what I do. Get a business card for $20 and don't talk about this. Just let the video right there. Do you see when you go to the capture page? See that YouTube video? And then below this video, I have a 35-minute webinar I want you to watch. It's the founder, Charles. He does a really good 35-minute session telling you about this opportunity. Please watch it. I'm going to help you with whatever video, and it's neutral video too, by the way, where if you send the video, somebody will sign up in your link. You need to come up with the link. Okay. You can either put that saveclubtour.com/your username, or you can do what I do. Go to GoDaddy, get yourself a domain name, and for free, forward it. Because that's all I do. I have GoDaddy forward. See that link up there? saveclubtour.com. That's all I do. I have 8 businesses. Guys, I'm not kidding you. I have 8 businesses now online. It started with LiveGood, and LiveGood was okay. I make money with it. But then I went to other opportunities. And at the end of the day, by the time 24 hours kind of goes tick-tock, bing, it's midnight, 900 to $1,000 usually comes in between all my businesses, and they all complement this type of business. You get leads, traffic, you get education. If you want really good supplements, right there I have LiveGood products on my fridge. But right now with Save Club, I think I can even do this easier because you're going to save money on stuff you're already buying. You're not going out of your way to save money on healthy products because you probably have a Snickers bar in your hand. I know I do. I'm sure I got something over here on that fridge that's pretty bad for you, like Gene Simmons cereal. That's 100% sugar. It looks like Fruit Loops inside. That box is like 20 years old. It's for decorative purposes. Please don't. If you visit me at my radio station here, don't open up my Gene Simmons cereal box. It's actually expensive. Okay? So, who do you love? All right? Do I have to say this every video? Is that going to be my little niche? I end all my videos by saying, who do you love? Why, you love Save Club. I feel like a used car salesman. All right, you guys, I think you'll have fun with this. I sure hope that you join, especially if you've already been in LiveGood or something similar. And if you're looking for an online business, I can see this really doing well. Okay, So far, so good. People are signing up left and right. Every 30 seconds worldwide, someone is signing up. And they can only sign up underneath me and you and I. Yous and me's. All right? I love saveclub.com. All right, guys. Have fun. Take care. Look into this for realsy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? I'm going to do a lot of video about this opportunity, okay? Look, I look kind of weird doing that. Hi. I'm going to duct tape my hands. Boy, if I start doing this, I might have to go to the creepy savings section of SaveGood and buy duct tape for half off so I can duct tape my arms behind my back. Hey, guys, thanks for your time. The last 15 minutes was fun, okay? I love saveclub.com. You guys take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.